Hello class, open your maths book and come to page number 128. Today we will be studying about patterns. First, let us know what is patterns. Patterns are created when figures, shape, objects are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Let us understand with the help of few examples. Here you can see we have some flowers. We have a picture of flowers and these flowers are in a pattern. First you can see there is a red flower followed by blue, then again red, then again blue, then again red and then again blue. So these flowers are in a patterns of red, blue, red, blue. Let us take one more example. Here you can see some butterflies. All these butterflies are in patterns. See, first there is a pink butterfly, then we have black. Then again we have pink, again we have black. Again we have pink and again we have black. So, in both the pictures we have seen that these pictures are arranged in a particular order and they are repeated again and again. So I hope you have understood the concept of patterns. Now students, come to page number 129. We'll be doing exercise 9.1. Look at the patterns in each row. Circle the picture that continues the pattern. You have to see the pictures of each row and you have to find out which are in patterns. So look at the first one. Circle, triangle, square. Then again we have circle, triangle and square. So let us see, is this in pattern or not? Here we have circle followed by triangle. Same we have here. That means this is in pattern form. So we will circle this one. Let us take another example. Here we have arrows. This is upward, downwards and then towards left. Then again upward, downwards and pointed towards left. This is upwards and then left. So this is not in pattern form. So we will not circle this one. In the same way you will be doing the remaining questions as well. Now students, come to page number 130. We'll be doing question number 2. Which picture comes next in each row? Given below is the clue box. Write the alphabets of the animal in the correct boxes. Here is the clue box. As you can see, this is the clue box. Now let us see the first example. Here we have cock and then two monkeys. Cock and then two monkey. What will come next? A cock. So let us see which alphabet a cock has. E. So we'll be writing here E. Let us take one more example. Here we have two big bird and a small one. So again you can see the big ones and then small one. Then what will come next? Again two big birds will come. So which alphabet this bird has? B. So you will be writing B here. Let us take one more example. Here we have tiger followed by fish. Tiger followed by fish. Tiger followed by fish. What will come next? Again a tiger. Let us see. Tiger has F alphabet. So we'll be writing F here. In the same way, you will be doing this last question also.